Hi, I'm Storm.
And I'm Mike.
And we are from Advanced Group.
What are we talking about today, Storm?
Today we are talking about these two collapsible cones.
Yep.
So we have a big one here and a smaller one.
Yep.
Are these the only sizes they come in?
They are the only sizes that they come in. However, this one's got a plastic base. This one has a rubber base. Mm-hmm. We have rubber bases and plastic bases in this size, and we have rubber bases and plastic bases in this size.
Okay.
So the whole range would be a total of 4 different ones. Yep.
So what sets these collapsible cones apart from the standard ones?
Obviously these are very small.
Mm-hmm.
I guess this could probably fit under a car seat if you wanted one in your car. Or if you wanted multiple of them in your vehicle, it's probably going to take up a little bit less room than cones. Yep.
Looks like there's a light in there. Do they light up?
Yep. So we'll just pull them both up just to show the camera. I'll try and get that away from my face. So, yep. So this one's 450 mil tall. Mm-hmm. This one's 700 mil tall. I think it's 700, not 750. Mm-hmm. They have a battery compartment and a button to turn them off and on at the bottom. Now, it won't probably show in the camera in the daytime, but currently this one's flashing. I can turn this one on to flashing. Possibly you might be able to see it just not very well in this light. However, at night time, it's going to be able to be seen for, if not hundreds of meters. Yeah.
Is this a reflective as well?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So this is a same sort of reflective that you'll see on people's high vis garments or vests and stuff when they're say out and about, say working on a roadside or something like that. Mm-hmm. You might have seen it on people's vests. So obviously orange is good for daytime. The reflective is good for nighttime. It looks silver in daytime, but it reflects back as like white at night, and that will also be able to be seen for if not hundreds of meters from people's car headlights and the ambient lights at night time. And if the battery from the light should fail, then obviously you've got this as a secondary hazard protection type thing.
Yeah. It looks like it's just material, but it's actually quite tough. So do you know what's
I'm imagining it's a polyester.
Yep.
So I guess being polyester, you probably wouldn't want to have it anywhere near any petrol or oil refinery type places, or in a mine, confined spaces type thing. But just because of static and sparks and stuff. But most people that go to those sorts of places know the drill and would get educated on that every time they're coming and going.
So do you think these are only safe to use when it's not raining?
No, these are fully weatherproof.
Oh, okay.
So there's not a problem with the rain and the weather.
Yep.
So
and did you say there's other sizes? So I can't remember.
No, these are the two sizes. But plastic and rubber and plastic. They come with a handy bag, which once it's collapsed down, it can go into the bag. It's got a clear pouch face and then a zip to be able to, and carry handle to be able to store it and bring it out whenever you need.
These would be great for storage. So if they needed to buy heaps of them, can they get discounts?
Yep. So there's automatic discounts on our website for bulk. If you are on any of these products or any other products on our website, you can see there will be a button that says view quantity discounts. If you press that button, the table will pop up and it shows the prices for 5, 10, 30, 50 plus, 100 plus.
Yeah.
And that's a good way to save yourself some money. There are other trade discounts if you're a regular purchaser of us. But you'd have to contact our sales team if you want those. That just means once you're logged in with your email address, you would see your price.
Do they only come in orange?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are the colour schemes that's available.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I don't think I have any other questions.
Okay. Probably a final couple of things might be the reasons why you might choose the rubber versus the plastic. The rubber ones are heavier, which means they'll blow over less. It's less likely that they'll blow over in strong winds and gusts. And then obviously price. So the plastic ones are cheaper. So yeah, depending on whether it's a budget thing or whether it's, you know, worrying about them blowing over type thing, whether you would choose one or the other. As far as the light goes, it's an LED light in there. It's kind of, the light is in the base. You can get separate lights that will plug into the tops of things, which we do sell separately on our website. And they will plug into different ranges of cones, including these ones. But you probably don't need it because the light, I'll just probably show the camera, is in the base. Now, being that it's LED, it should last a fair while. Don't quote me on how many hours, depends on the battery. Depends, you know, how long you have it on for, etc. But also whether it's on normal mode. It's got two different modes. It's got flashing or it's got constant. So there's a light there is constant, and then the third click of the button will turn it back off again. So that's probably about it. If you want to see more videos like this, you can hit like and subscribe. And if you want to buy these products, you can go to www.advancedgroup.com.au. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.